What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick review of Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 for Samsung Galaxy S23 series. We got the case for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra here, but you can consider this video for S23 and S23 Plus as well. So we will talk about the design, features, durability and all of the pros and cons of the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 for Samsung Galaxy S23 series. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here is the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So here is the case. It comes with a thank you note and a product catalog showing all of the Pitaka products. And here we got this removable instruction that how we should try to put this case on our smartphone and how to remove. The box itself is looking quite premium, and when you are not using the case with your smartphone, you can put it in this box for its protection. So here is the MagEZ Case 3 for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Pitaka claims that this is the thinnest and the lightest Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra case, as it comes with just 0.95 mm thickness and it weighs just 22 grams. And it really feels like super lightweight, and it's extremely slim and thin as well. And the most impressive part is that even with this super slim body of this case, Pitaka was still able to include the magnet to make this case MagSafe accessories compatible. So that's quite impressive for sure. It comes with the MagSafe slim board technology that integrates a very powerful N52 SF magnet and resin into one thin plate, and then integrates it with the aerospace grade 600D aramid fiber. So even though it is very thin, very slim, it's very durable as well. So you can easily put it on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and it fits perfectly, as you can see here. It's a very beautiful looking case here, and the aramid fiber surface is very smooth and it feels so good while touching it and holding the smartphone with this case in your hand. There are cutouts provided perfectly for all of these slots and ports. The camera cutout is 0.3 mm higher than the lens to protect it from scratches and all if you keep the device on a flat surface, but still it is not higher enough to protect the lenses if you drop the device by mistake. So it would be better if the camera cutout was a bit higher than 0.3 mm here. Also, the sides of the device are not fully protected. The buttons are totally open and unprotected if you use the MagEZ case here. Other than that, half of the frame as well is unprotected, and this goes on both left and right side. So the screen is not fully protected if you use the MagEZ Case 3 on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, as the sides of the display as well as the frame are quite unprotected. We got slight raised edges on the top and at the bottom, but as we can see, the sides are not that protected at all. But this is the case particularly for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you get the S23 or S23 Plus MagEZ 3 case, then you will get the protection on the sides as well, as they come with the raised edges on the sides as well. But that's not the case with our Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra case here. The magnet used on the MagEZ 3 case for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is pretty strong, and you can use any MagSafe compatible accessory for wirelessly charging your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, or use any of the other MagSafe compatible accessories. The magnet is quite strong and it will not fall off easily, as you can see here. So this particular point is quite impressive, that Pitaka was able to include a super strong magnet on this very thin MagEZ 3 case for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Overall, the Pitaka MagEZ 3 case for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is one of the best case available if you're talking about the how slim and lightweight it is, and it still comes with the MagSafe compatibility. It is made of 600D aramid fiber that is very durable and super lightweight, so the back of your case is fully protected. The same goes with the bottom as well as at the top, but the sides of the smartphone won't be that much protected, as for some reason Pitaka decided to keep these parts open and unprotected on MagEZ 3 case for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The case looks so beautiful and quite premium and does not add any kind of bulk on your smartphone, as it is super slim and very lightweight. If you are interested, the link to buy the Pitaka MagEZ 3 case for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus is given in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed watching this video and found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.